Are you tired of complex systems and building others' lists? Sick of tech tools that keep you stuck setting up? We offer a simple plug-and-play system ready to go. No tech skills needed. Activate quickly and share immediately. Best part? You earn 100% commissions on qualifying sales. Here is the magic. The second and fourth sales pass up. This means your team's pass-up sales go directly to you. Customize the system, add your offers, and own your list. Experience speed and leverage. Earn before you even pay. Let the system work for you. Start your free trial.